So January comes by and we have all these really wonderful resolutions, but you actually don't know where to start. So where do you start? So we've put together this cooking class that is all about meal planning and meal prepping to make sure that we make you successful. So meal planning can seem really daunting, but we got that covered for you. We're going to explain to you how to make it simple, how to get back to healthy eating in a simple way. You come back from home, you don't want to be chopping those vegetables. You want to have something that is really simple. So we've got you covered. We've got great recipes. I'm doing this with Tina Nordic, who I find is an organizational guru, and she will really, really walk you through all the steps for really successful meal planning and meal prepping. Now, we keep these classes really intimate because I'm there. I want to talk to you about healthy eating. I want to talk to you about nutrition, and this intimate setting really makes it more like a one-on-one kind of conversation that we're having together. So please join us. It's next week, Thursday, January 31st from 6:30 to 8, which means you'll be home for bedtime. And I hope to see you there. So please click the link below and make sure you register. I hope to see you there. Thank you.